Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make the drill plane. First, get for a paper.
So last night,
Follow me.
I had a deal with the
Raw!
para ma-formalize mo siya na hindi.
Fold it in half like this.
You want to?
Then open it. Close these two corners.
And cover your it as media. File ako, documented. Ikaw, hindi.
You see?
Joey,
Then
pilit natin,
put this here
sumama ka,
like this.
they may charge you with
Here.
obstruction of justice.
Dahil naman, Andrew.
Put this corners here.
Kasi gusto ko
Or by the red.
Muli talaga si Verdugo. Kasi gusto ko
Leave a small triangle for the lock.
I promise you, I'll do whatever
Then
it takes to make it happen.
it should look like
Okay?
this. Then put this on top. Now look like this. Lock. Then fold this in half. Fold the wings to create it to fly. Now when you're done, spin it around like that. Then let's go fly it. Look how it. Now it's done. Goodbye. Subscribe.